Morning everyone from a beautiful, hot Marmaris. Now, no? Oh, they've moved our bike. So we parked there last night because we didn't want to block anyone in. They've moved our bike there. Oh, hard to get a space under here. But anyway, we're at Labranda Hotel. We're going to show you how long it takes to get from Labranda to Gazelle Port in Marmaris. This is one full video. Hopefully you enjoy these ones on the electric scooter, showing you the area in full. If you do like it, don't forget to subscribe, share the post, and enjoy the video. Mummy camera girl.
My sunglasses. Oh, here they are.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi everybody.
Dad, do you want me to hold your GoPro?
Oh please Ted, camera boy.
Okay.
It's a lava attack.
Let's see how much you drive to get wet, Dad.
Let's see if you can sing with him.
I brought your sunglasses too.
Yeah, get on the bike because Dad's gonna leave you here all by yourself.
Oh,
Very tight where the moved us to, very tight.
Go on, Dad, you can do this.
Thanks Ted.
Okay, Dad.
You want to give the camera to Mummy?
Now I'm gonna see how much weight you get to drive.
you have to hold it so you can see all of Daddy and the background, yeah?
You don't need to see me, just as much of it.
Look.
As much of Marmaris as you can, Ted.
We show the trees, show Ted, say
I
hi.
wanna see how much weight Dad's getting.
What's on you?
Come on, Dad.
Who's your biggest
Getting
fan?
there, Dad.
You Daddy's biggest fan.
Yes, his wedding is getting so big.
Well, that wasn't very nice.
What was it getting nice?
Saying that he's that.
All in my face.
It's in my mouth.
It's in my eyes.
It's in my eyes. Are we running out of battery?
No, I haven't even pressed it since we came down.
Oh, right.
I'm trying to go slow, you know, for that.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
So it's your birthday on the 9th. Are you excited? What do you want to do for it? Dinosaurs.
diamonds.
Yeah, we'll get them. It's a great tourist stop.
Let's either watch.
We got a Piccadilly.
Maybe later.
Okay.
Keep it on, Rochelle,
What's
keep
that
it on.
called again?
Gazelle.
Gazelle.
Gazelle chart.
So, on an electric bike, electric scooter, it takes roughly 7 minutes to get from Lebranda Hotel, the first hotel on the crossover from Marmaris to Ishmael. About 7 minutes to get from there to Gazelle Port. Now on the next video, we're gonna go shopping.